So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add social media links to BigCommerce. So the first thing you want to do once you open up BigCommerce is log in. Afterwards, go over to the left side of the screen. You can see home, orders, products, customers, storefront, marketing, analytics, apps, channels, and settings. And on here, you can just go ahead and click on storefront and you can see themes, themes marketplace, logo, homepage carousel, social media links, script manager, and so on. So on here, just click on social media links. Once you've clicked on that, it's going to open up something like this. So you can see social media links, drag and drop the icons. So you can see the icons. You can see the available networks. This is maybe something a bit older since there's a new Twitter icon. Maybe there's a new Facebook and Pinterest icon as well. So, but these are all links which will link you with your social media on your page. So you can use this for Twitter or X. You can use this for Facebook, for Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and many more. So you can see there's a lot of different options for available networks. If you want to drag and drop an available network into this space, you can. And afterwards, you can see live on your storefront maximum 6 icons. So you can have maximum of 6 icons. It's going to appear on here. So just take a link, drag it from the link that you opened on there to here, and it will appear. Or you can just click on copy and paste the link for your social media underneath. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.